See, let's suppose if you write this cleanup code under try block, what will happen? After some time, you may end up with what? You may end up with what, guys?
Exception.
Sort of connection objects. Sort of
Short.
connection object.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's suppose if you keep this, what do you call, cleanup code activity under catch block, after some time, you may end up with what? Sort of connection object.
Connection objects.
Understand? So for the next user, there may not be a chance of what getting connection object. Okay, so they cannot perform any activity further because all the connection objects will be engaged with one of the client. Understand? One or more clients. So now the remaining clients, they may not perform. Right? So where if you keep the cleanup code under try block or catch block, because what? There is no chance of execution of this try block and catch block all the time. Okay. So that's what we need some place. Okay. It should always execute irrespective of exception raised or not, irrespective of exception handling or not. So what is the better place? Finally block.
Finally
So always
block.
we need to keep cleanup code where, guys? Finally block.
Finally block.
Finally block.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
So no. So no, here finally block means what? Always it will execute. No, in the try block. Okay, in the try block, somehow we have taken JDBC connection object. I mean that logic we are going to write right here in the try block. Here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now Vignesh came. Vignesh used one connection object, right? So if there is no exception, right? After that, he completed. Once you call this get connection method means what? He will completed his activity. Understand? He taken the connection object and after that he taken statement object and finally he inserted his records into table. Okay, over. Once you completed this, I mean all the code where we are going to write under get connection method. Let's assume. Now once the get connection method execution is completed means what? Vignesh record inserted into database. Right? Now Vignesh task is completed. Now we need to release what? That connection object. Where we will release? In the finally block we will write.
Finally block.
Okay, the cleanup code where we are going to write now in the finally block. So now finally block will execute all the time. Right? All the time finally block execute. Now the connection object will back to where, guys? Now connection pool. We are releasing, right? In the finally block, that code we are writing. Cleanup activity code where we are writing under finally block. So now that code is executing. After that, what? The connection object will be releasing back to whom? JDBC connection pool. Now that connection object is ready to give service to another client. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Now another one, Vani client is came. Now she wants to put her information into database table, right? So while executing get connection method, so there is an exception. Yes, one connection object already she has taken one connection object, database connection object, and after that, okay, maybe she is getting some exception. So that time what will happen? Catch block will execute. Okay, in catch block, I mean whatever the exception handling logic we have written, that logic will execute. So after that, what will execute? Finally block will execute. Understand? Because finally block will execute each and every time, right? Whether the exception is raised or not, whether exception handling or not, always
Yes,
finally block will execute. Now finally block execute. In the finally block, what we are doing now? Cleanup
Writing
activity.
cleanup code.
So the connection object what Vani has taken, the same connection object here we are releasing. That connection object now releasing back to whom? Connection pool. Now that connection object is ready to give service to whom? Another client. Right? Here, none of the connection object is engaging, right? None of the connection object is engaging. Okay, once task is completed, we are releasing back. Whether the exception is raised or not, whether the exception is handled or not. Okay, irrespective of exception, all the connection objects, what are the connection objects we are taking here? All the connection objects here, we are releasing back to connection pool. Due to what? Finally block. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Finally block. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
And the main purpose of finally block is to maintain cleanup activity. Cleanup activity. Okay. Fine.
Yes, sir.
No.
Yes, sir.
Final
Sir.
statement. Let me write. So, what is the specialty of this finally block, guys? The specialty. Okay, the specialty of finally block is what is the specialty of finally block is it will be executed
Always.
always. Okay, irrespective of whether exception raised or not
Is raised or handled.
and handled or not. Okay, I think already we have written right the statement.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. So this is the specialty. Now, what is the time now? 21:24. Okay. At what time we started? 8:30. Yeah.
8:30, sir.
8:30.
Yes, sir. Okay. So now you want me to continue?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Come on. Okay. So let me write few examples, then we will close it, guys. Okay. Now here I will writing. You please tell me. Okay. Now, Saiteja, are you there? No. Here
Yes.
I'm writing what, guys? Some example. Last test I'm writing. Okay. So now public static void main. Okay. Public static void main. Here what? String args, right? Right. So here what I'm doing here. Okay. So simply I'm writing what? Okay. Just try block I'm writing. The try block system.out.println. Okay. Hello, I'm printing. Okay. Now try block is closed. Now catch block I'm writing. The catch block I'm putting exception ex I'm putting. After that here system.out.println of here I'm putting what? Hi boss I'm putting. Okay. Next one I'm writing what? Finally block. The finally block I'm putting system.out.println of. Okay. Hello finally. Okay. Or else here. Okay, fine. Anything is fine. Or else let me put hello catch. Okay. Hello catch. Hello catch. Okay. Fine. Here, hello try. Tell me if I execute this program, what is the output here? So now class something what finally. That is the class I'm taking. Or else final. Finally, let me take. Okay. Class name itself finally, guys. Or finally demo. Let me keep finally demo. So now here what I'm doing, just I'm taking public static void main. Public static void main. Okay. String args. Here what I'm taking, just I'm taking try block. The try block, what I'm doing, just system dot out dot println. Okay. Here what I'm printing, just hello try. Guys, don't execute. Okay. Please don't execute. See, if you are doing like that, see here, I'm not giving any what you call prizes. I'm not giving you any job. If you do parallelly, definitely you will not get, guys. Right? So don't do that. Just listen carefully. Just concentrate here. Then only you will get the subject. Yeah. Now, I mean, this is the try block, right? Now I'm writing what? Catch block. The catch block, what I'm putting? Exception EX. So now here what I'm putting now, system dot, let me copy this one. Hello catch. Okay. So now I'm putting what, guys? Finally block. This is what, guys? Finally block. In the finally block, I'm putting what? Hello finally. Hello finally. Okay. What is the syntax of finally block? We need to keep what? Finally word, guys. Okay. Finally.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Finally word. Okay. Finally. See here, try block means try and after that block. Catch block
Yes.
means catch and after that block. Finally means finally after that block. Okay. That is the syntax. Now I'm asking here, while executing this program, what you will get output. Let me save it first. Finally demo, right? Exception handling. Finally demo dot java, right? Now I'm saving. Okay, so now let me go with the C training exception handling CMD Java C. What it is, guys?
Finally demo.
Finally demo.
Finally
Finally demo dot Java.
Java.
Tell me, guys, what is the output here? Here what will happen? First try block will execute. System dot out dot, what is the statement here? Only one statement we have. What is that statement? System dot out dot println hello try. So are you see any exception will raise here in this statement by executing as well simply system dot out dot println?
No.
Oh, so that's why this, okay, the statement will execute. So if there is no exception, the catch block will execute. When the catch block
No.
will execute, if there is an exception, then only catch block will execute, right? No, there is no exception in try block, then catch block will not execute. Now, which block will execute finally? Finally block will execute. Finally block will execute always, right? So that's what we are just now we are discussing, right? Finally block will execute always, whether the exception is raised or not, whether the exception handling or not, always finally block will execute. So that's what here. What is the output, guys? Hello try, hello finally. Compilation done. Now Java finally demo. Okay. What is the class name? Finally demo, right?
Yes, sir.
Hello finally. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let me put one more thing, guys, here. Okay. Here I'm putting system. Let me copy. I think I have, right. Now here I'm putting what?
10/0.
Okay. 10 divided by 0 I'm putting. Something. Okay. 100 divided by 0. Okay. Please watch carefully, guys, here. Okay. Now Saitija, tell me what is the output here. Come on, fast. Make it fast. What is the output here?
Hello, try.
Hello try. Tell me what is the output here. Hello try.
Hello, catch and hello, fine.
Hello try, hello catch, and hello finally, right? Why? See here, hello try, first statement. Okay. After that, what we have? 100 divided by 0. 100 divided by 0 means which exception will raise?
Arithmetic.
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 So it is arithmetic exception, right? So once the arithmetic exception is raising means what will happen after that? The control will come to the respective catch block, right? So here catch block. This catch block will execute because why? We are holding what? Parent class reference variable. That's what this catch block will execute. Now, while executing this catch block, what it will print? Hello catch, right? So now finally block, always it will execute, right? Whether the exception is raising or not, whether the exception handling or not, always finally block will execute. Now finally block also will executing. After executing finally block, what we will see? Hello finally. So that's what here. What is the output? Hello try, hello catch, hello finally, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
See, hello try, hello catch, hello finally. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. Now let me write one more example, guys, here. So now here what I'm putting, You want me to copy this one? Huh? Okay, I think this one I copied. Let me copy this example. Okay. Yeah. Fine. So now here I'm writing one more example. So now here I'm putting null pointer exception. Okay. What I'm putting? Null pointer exception. Understand?
Yes.
Now, now tell me guys, what is the output here? We will tell what? Hello try we will get. So after that, we are what getting which exception? Arithmetic exception we are
Arithmetic
getting.
exception.
Okay, to handle that arithmetic exception, do we have any catch block here? We don't have. Here
No.
null pointer exception. But what is the exception we are getting? Arithmetic exception. Right? So we don't have appropriate catch block. So that's what this catch block will not execute. So now, are we have any exception handling logic here? We don't have. Right? So we don't have means always it will be what? Abnormal termination. Even though finally block will execute, guys. Understand? So that's what finally block will execute what? Always, whether the exception is raised or not, whether the exception handling or not also. Understand? Here exception we are not handling, even though finally block is executing. Clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So finally here what guys? Arithmetic exception. Yeah. I mean arithmetic exception related logic we will get. In which method it will call? Which
Main
method?
method. Main method.
Here I'm asking, right? So, I mean, we will see the exception information, right? So, which method internally the default exception handler will call? Here, who will
Main.
handle? Default exception handler will handle the exception, right? So, what it will do? It will simply call which method? Print stack trace method to print the information, to print the exception information, the console. No, already you forgot, huh?
No, sir.
No.
You guys are not telling, you know. Compilation done. See, hello try, hello finally, exception thread main, java.lang.arithmetic, okay, divided by 0 is the description, stack trace. Clear everyone?
Yeah.
Any question, guys? So here exception is raising. So that's what once try block is completed, there is no exception handling logic. Fine. Finally block will execute. After that, print the exception information. Understand? First of all, it has to print what? The code what we have written, right? After that only it will print exception related message. Okay. So here there is no point, guys, to stress here. Okay. So that's try block we are executing. So we are getting some exception, even though finally block will execute. After finally block executing, if you have any exception, that exception message it will print in console. That's it. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Even see now exception is raising. Try block will execute. At line number 1, exception is raising, right? So after that, where it will come control, the catch block control will come, right? Catch block information also it will print. So after that, what finally it will print. Now exception is raising at the try block, right? So now there is no catch block, right? So catch block information it will not print, right? Immediately finally block will execute. After that, exception information it will print.
Yes.
Okay. Clear everyone?
Yeah, clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. So now I think already I placed, right? This one also. Okay.
Yes.
Output I am not putting here. Okay, you can put output, guys. Okay. Want me to put output here? What is output here? Tell me in the first place.
Hello try, hello finally, sir.
Hello try. After that,
Hello finally.
hello finally. Hello, right? Here, what is output? What is output, guys? Here.
Hello,
Hello,
try.
try.
Hello, catch. Hello, finally.
Hello, catch.
Hello, finally.
Hello, finally. Right. Right. Here, what is the output, guys?
Hello, try. Hello, finally. Exception information will print.
Hello, try. Hello.
Finally.
After that,
Exception
arithmetic exception.
information will print.
Okay. Yeah. Arithmetic exception. Fine. Okay, guys. So now tomorrow we will see other things. Fine. Clear, everyone? What is the purpose of finally block?
Yes, sir.
Right, guys.